Yeah, I don't think she likes it. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I recommend you check out all my socials because they're pretty cool. So my iPad's being so slow, so if any words cut off, I am deeply sorry. Anyways, today I'll be doing a baking video. Each one of my kids are going to be picking out something to bake, and then they'll be rating it, and I think this idea is pretty fun. Also, someone asked if I could tell you guys when a video was requested by a subscriber, and this one was, so yeah. Anyways, for once, I feel like there's not a huge amount of background noise. I mean, there's some, but like, it's not bad. Already, I love this video, so let's just get started. Oakley, what would we be baking today?
I chose to make a strawberry shortcake because I love them.
Alrighty, so I'm actually really excited for this, so I guess we should start getting our ingredients. Probably the most important thing is this bowl. Alrighty, so I pulled up the ingredient list, and the first thing it says to do is cut up a strawberry and add that into the mix. These strawberries are literally so fresh. I will be doing the cutting just because I feel like it's more safe if I do. Already, I don't really think I need to explain this, but I'm just cutting up my strawberry. Oakley, would you like to put the strawberries in?
Yeah, I would like to. I'm just gonna put these in.
Alrighty, the next step is to add a cup of sugar. Would you like to do that?
Yeah, I like baking, so of course. Just gonna put in a cup of sugar, and there we go.
Alrighty, and for this recipe, we also need some baking soda, so I'll let you do that.
In it goes.
Alrighty, the next step is milk, so be careful, okay?
Yep, I'll be super careful. Just gonna carefully add this into the bowl.
Alrighty, that's it for the ingredients, so you can mix it in.
Yay, mixing is probably my favorite step. Just keep mixing. Do you mind pouring in the batter for me?
Nope, you will hold the pan and I will pour the batter. Alrighty, we're just gonna pour it in now. So I'm just gonna pour in the batter in the pan. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, Oakley, you wanna go and put it in the oven for me?
Yep, I'm just gonna put in the pan in the oven and close it.
Alrighty, since I helped you, I'll just wash the dishes and...
Let me know when it's ready.
Oakley, it's time to take your cake out. Okay, so you review it for us.
Alrighty, I'm gonna take a bite. I'm just gonna take a bite of the cake so that way I can equally review it. Best cake ever.
Alrighty, let's move on to Rylan now. Rylan, what will you be making today?
I will be making blueberry muffins.
Alrighty, I found a super easy recipe, and I'm gonna start by grabbing us a bowl. Alrighty, there we go, and of course the main ingredient is blueberries, so I'm gonna get them. Rylan, you're gonna add 2 blueberries.
Alrighty then, I'll add 2. So here is one, and here's the other. So then, what is the next ingredient?
It is caramel for the center. Here you go, you're just gonna bring it around all of the bowl.
Alrighty, I'll do that, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it around. Alrighty, then what now?
Sugar, I'll go get the sugar for you so we can do that.
Alrighty, I'm just gonna add in all of the sugar.
The next step is milk, make sure you're careful.
Alrighty, I'll do my best. Gonna very carefully add it.
Alrighty, let me add the whisk so you can mix it now, okay?
Just mixing all the ingredients so it's all combined into one mixture. Now, is there anything else for us to add?
Nope, the next step is for us to all add it into the pan.
I'll pour it into the pan.
Alrighty, I'll be steady.
Gonna be careful to spread it.
Alrighty, I'll add it into the oven and I'll wash the dishes.
Sounds good.
Just gonna add it into the oven and shut it. So it's been like 10 minutes and Rylan, the muffins are ready.
I am so excited to try this. I'm just gonna eat it. It was the best muffins I've ever had.
Alrighty, the next thing I'm gonna make is baby food. This is for Ren, but honestly, she's not gonna help me make it. The first step is to cut up all the fruits, so I'm gonna get my setup ready. And the first fruit I'm gonna cut is an avocado. Perfect, and I'm just gonna add this into a bowl. Also, I don't know if it's a fruit. Sorry for the dog snores in the back. But I don't know if Ren likes blueberries, but we're just gonna add in one to the bowl. Ren has had peaches and she's absolutely loved them, so I'm also gonna cut up a peach for her into thin slices and add it. Now the next step is to blend them all up, so I'm gonna grab out my blender. I'm gonna start with the avocado and then move along to the peaches and the blueberries. Alrighty, so it's a kind of thick consistency, but it's still thin enough for her to eat it, so I'm gonna add it in. It has been moved into the bowl and I cannot find a baby spoon, so this will work. Just gonna scoop some up and I'm gonna feed it to her, and I'm praying she likes it. Oh, I think that she might like it. Then she made this face. Yeah, by that face, I'm gonna assume that she does not like it. Alrighty guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. Shout out goes the person on the screen. Also, I was thinking of baking next time, like foods that you guys requested for me to make. If I do, it'll be like a post on community tab saying that that's what I want to do. But in the meantime, comment down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But again, I did my best to make this video a little longer, and I did think it paid off. I didn't know how this video was going to turn out, but I think that it came out very cute. I like all of my videos, but I think this one I have a little more pride in because it did take like 3 hours. Comment down below a peach emoji if you watched all the way to this point. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I love you and you're amazing. Remember, it's okay to lose and to make mistakes. Your mistakes never define you. Bye guys!